Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys know I do a lot of weird shit to my face, and I always want to introduce you guys to kind of like new skills and techniques and things you can do to see an improvement in your skin. By the way, we're really close up today because my flat is a mess. I don't want you to see it. And also I'm wearing red. You guys always tell me off for just wearing black, so a bit of colour for you guys today. But before we get going, if you liked the video after watching it, please give the video a thumbs up. And also stay till the end for comment of the week. I'll be reading and answering one of your guys' comments, usually ones I haven't replied to because they're usually quite a popular subject that I want to approach on here. So yeah, stay till the end to see if it's your comment. But today I want to introduce you guys to a technique that's been around for years and is really something everyone can do. It's super easy, and that is steaming your face. Now, I own a steamer, a facial steamer, but you definitely don't have to own one of these. So how these work is you put water into a little compartment and put that in, turn it on, and it makes steam basically out that water, and you gently put your face in it and let the steam kind of go all over your face. You can do that from like 5 minutes up to 10 depending on how much steam you have, and you see huge improvements in your skin texture, skin tone, spots, acne, blackheads, all that kind of stuff. But today I'm going to tell you the 5 main reasons you should really be steaming your skin. So first of all, like I said, you can have a machine like this, but the other technique to steam your face is to fill up a bowl or sink with boiling kettle water, then put a towel over that, over your head, kind of make like this little steaming igloo over the sink and let that steam go on your face. So most importantly, number 1, steam loosens blackheads and whiteheads. So it really helps to soften your skin and loosen your pores. Obviously removing blackheads can really irritate your skin, as well as whiteheads can really irritate your skin. And we all love a good pick at our face, like let's be honest. So steaming your face, whatever blackhead removal tool you're using, whatever technique you're using, is gonna make your skin a lot softer and help to push out these blackheads. Number 2, if it's gonna push out blackheads, it's going to push out dirt and other crap from your skin. Sweat is basically the best thing to bring all the rubbish to the surface, which is usually why you get spotty when you're working out or generally sweating in summer. But it gets that dirt out that's really wedged inside your pores. Imagine sweat being the liquid that's helping to cleanse out your pores properly, like a jet. Not like a jet, it's not that intense. But it gets to that dirt, that cleansers, exfoliators, those peeling masks can't get down to. And steam obviously brings out all that sweat, bringing out all that dirt, then giving you a really super good cleanse. Number 3, of course, once you've cleansed, you use all your other products. And steaming actually helps all these other products work better, helps them communicate with your skin better. For example, serums, essences, and even face masks as well. You can even team a steamer up with a face mask, put that on, and then steam right over the top of that, and your skin will benefit from the ingredients like 10 times more. That's not an official figure, but it will benefit a lot more. Number 4, sounds a bit weird, but if you have dry skin, steamers are actually very good at hydrating your skin. As we just mentioned, steamers can increase the permeability of your skin, meaning it can take in the products a lot better and make them work better. Meaning when you're using hydrating products like moisturizers and serums, your skin is going to hold on to them a lot more. This is great for dry skin because it's going to help your skin retain that moisture. It's also going to get rid of all those dead dry skin cells that make your skin look dry, and it's going to make your skin look a lot plumper and bouncier and generally more hydrated. It's going to increase your suppleness, that's the word. It's going to keep your skin looking nice and supple and not dry. And finally, steaming has anti-aging benefits. So it gets rid of dead skin cells, those really horrible visible ones you can see on your skin. Basically, when your skin cells are new, they are nice and plump. As you get older and as your skin cells get older, they kind of go a bit spongy and go all like dry. And basically these dead skin cells are stuck to the nice new plump skin cells that are growing underneath, which is good. We like these dead skin cells because they're actually creating like a protective barrier from, you know, the outsideness, the badness outside, and also stopping the moisture from your skin escaping. Obviously they will break off naturally. When you're younger, the cell turnover is a lot quicker than when you're getting older. The cell turnover takes a bit more time. And that's why with all these dead skin cells, we can start to look a little bit old, our skin looks tired, pretty much dead and dull. And what steaming does is unbinds these dead skin cells, only like a few of them. So it's basically getting rid of the excess of dead skin cells you have on the top layer. It's unbinding them from the skin. So we do still have that protective layer, but it's getting rid of, you know, a huge amount of them. And that's why after a generally good steam, our skin is gonna look fresher and younger and plumper. So yeah, it's really good. I steam maybe once once or twice a week, depending when I can be bothered. Having one of these machines helps a lot because I'm lazy, but you can just use the sink as well. These can be quite expensive. I bought a Panasonic one, then I found exactly the same one on Amazon for a lot cheaper. That just didn't have the Panasonic label on it, so I'll link some steamers down below. Do this in the evening, not in the morning before going out, so in the evening before bedtime, so that the products really get a chance to work on your skin. And yeah, don't burn your face off, you'll be fine. And finally, we have comment of the week. This one is from Radox Gaming, and this was on my why you should stop using cheap DIY peel-off masks video, and he says, so what's the best way of removing blackheads off my nose? Well, I have an answer. My personal favorite way to do this is to use a BHA solution or toner. BHA basically stands for beta hydroxy acid, and these are basically chemical acid exfoliators. Acid sounds horrific, it's not that bad. But BHAs can get through all that sebum and oils that's clogging your pores, and with their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties as well, after like maybe 2 weeks I saw a difference. You'll notice a huge difference in the amount of blackheads you have on your nose. My personal favourites are the BHA Power Liquid from CosRx. Affordable, very good. We have the new Glossier AHA, BHA, PHA solution. I found that this has been working amazingly. So that's my answer. The best way to remove blackheads is to take your time with it rather than looking for an instant solution, and to use BHAs. But that is it for me now, guys. I will see you next time.